There are moments in life when everything becomes quiet. Not peaceful quiet, but the kind of silence that makes you feel forgotten. You look around, and it seems like everyone else is moving forward while you are standing still. You pray, but nothing changes. You hope, but nothing happens. And slowly, a question begins to rise inside your heart. God, where are you? You try to stay strong. You try to keep believing, but deep down, you are tired. Tired of waiting, tired of trusting, tired of holding on when everything around you is telling you to let go. You smile in front of people, but when you are alone, the weight of everything you are carrying becomes too heavy to ignore. Tonight, this prayer is for you. Not the version of you that people see, but the real you. The one who feels weak, the one who is questioning everything, the one who is trying not to give up. God sees you, even in this silence. He sees every tear you try to hide. He hears every prayer you think went unanswered. What feels like delay is not denial. What feels like absence is not abandonment. Sometimes, God allows the silence so you can learn to trust Him beyond what you feel. Because faith is not proven when everything is working. Faith is proven when nothing makes sense, and you still choose to believe. So right now, take a deep breath. You are not forgotten. Your story is not over. And this moment, as painful as it feels, is not the end. It is the place where God is preparing something you cannot yet see. Heavenly Father, I come before you with a heart that is heavy, not with perfect words, not with strong faith, but just as I am. You see everything I am going through. You know the battles I cannot explain to anyone. You understand the pain I have been carrying in silence. God, there are moments when I feel lost, moments when I don't know what to do next, moments when I question if things will ever change. But even in this uncertainty, I choose to come to you. I may not understand your timing, but I trust your plan. I may not see the way forward, but I believe you are leading me. Strengthen me in this season. Give me peace in the middle of confusion. Remind me that I am not walking alone. Father, when my strength fails, be my strength. When my hope feels weak, renew it. When fear tries to take over, fill my heart with your peace. Teach me to trust you even when I cannot see what you are doing. Tonight, I release every burden into your hands. Every worrying, every fear, every doubt, I give it all to you, because I know you care for me more than I can understand. There comes a point where you feel like you cannot continue. You have tried, you have waited, you have prayed, but nothing seems to change. And the thought of giving up begins to feel like relief. But listen carefully. This is not the moment to quit. The enemy speaks loudest when your breakthrough is closest. The pressure you feel is not a sign to stop. It is a sign that something is about to shift. You have come too far to give up now. Every tear you have cried, every prayer you have whispered, every step you have taken, it all matters. Nothing has been wasted. God is not ignoring you. He is working in ways you cannot see. Behind the scenes, things are being arranged. Doors are being prepared. Paths are being cleared. Hold on a little longer. You are closer than you think. Silence does not mean God is absent. It means He is working in ways you cannot hear yet. Some of the greatest things God does happen quietly. No noise, no announcement, just results. Think about it. A seed grows in silence. You do not hear it breaking open beneath the soil, but one day it appears. That is how God works. What you are going through right now is not empty. It is a process, a preparation, a transformation. Lord, give me strength for this moment, not for tomorrow, not for next year, but for right now. Help me to stand when I feel like falling. Help me to keep going when I feel like stopping. Remind me that I am stronger than I feel, because you are with me. Fear will try to control you. It will tell you things will never change. It will make you doubt yourself and doubt God. But fear is not truth. Replace fear with faith. Even if it is small, let it grow. Waiting is one of the hardest things, but waiting is not wasting. In the waiting, God is building you. Patience is not punishment. It is preparation. There is a moment coming when everything will make sense. The pain, the delay, the struggle, it will all connect. Your breakthrough is closer than you think. God, fill my heart with peace. A peace that does not depend on my situation. A peace that remains even when life is uncertain. Let your presence calm every storm inside me. This is not the end of your story. It may feel like it, but it is not. God is still writing your story, and the next chapter will be greater than anything you have seen before.